So hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'm going to share some special tricks to help you increase your typing speed and skill. These are the secret techniques I personally used, and I'll also share how I overcome the struggles of being a beginner. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel because your one subscription motivates me a lot. So let's dive right into it. Number 1. Don't rush. Listen closely. I know you are eager to build your typing skills. You see, my speed is 100 WPM, but I didn't achieve it overnight. It took a lot of practice and patience. When I first touched a keyboard, it was a horrible experience for me. I was slow, made countless mistakes, and felt frustrated. But I quickly realized that typing isn't a one-day game. You don't just wake up and hit 100 WPM instantly. Instead, focus on gradual improvement. Practice daily for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and after a month, you will see a noticeable difference, inshallah. Number 2. Focus on accuracy first. At first, I focused only on speed, but I made tons of mistakes. The result? No real improvement. Then I changed my approach. I started focusing on accuracy first, making sure I typed the right words without errors. And guess what? My typing speed started improving naturally. So before worrying about WPM, train yourself up, type correctly. Once you get accuracy down, speed will follow. Number 3. Learn touch typing. Touch typing was a nightmare when I first started. I struggled a lot, but I used a typing software to practice. That was back in the day, but now it's much easier. You can use typing.com and follow their structured curriculum to learn how touch typing effectively. It will help you memorize key placements and type without looking at the keyboard. Number 4. Build muscle memory gradually. Typing is all about muscle memory. The more you practice, the more your fingers automatically find the right keys. But don't rush. Instead of typing letter by letter, start focusing on whole words. This will significantly improve your typing efficiency. Number 5. Choose a platform and practice daily. To improve consistently, you need a good platform to practice. Here are my top recommendations. Number 1. Monkeytype. It will help you practice mistakes after a test and improve weak areas. Number 2. 10 fast fingers. It will allow you to compete with others and test your speed. And finally, Keyboard. It will analyze your weak points and help build muscle memory effectively. Personally, I use all three as each offers unique benefits. So guys, finally I want to say, when I first learned touch typing, I followed these exact techniques. If you stay consistent, practice smart, and use the right tools, you will definitely see improvement. So guys, start today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.